In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in Monday.com fast and easy. If you've ever wondered how to streamline your sales process or boost your team's efficiency with a well-organized pipeline, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the practical steps that you can follow to get started. First off, getting your pipeline up and running on Monday.com begins with choosing the right foundation. And for our purpose, that means starting with a CRM or sales template. Thankfully, Monday.com offers a variety of pre-made templates that are specifically designed to cater to sales activities. By selecting a suitable template, you lay the groundwork for your pipeline, essentially setting up a structure that can be easily customized to fit the nuances of your sales process. This will save you time and ensure that you're not building everything from scratch, which can be both daunting and time-consuming. With your template in place, the next crucial step involves using status columns to delineate the various stages of your sales pipeline. Think of these stages as the backbone of your pipeline. Each step helps you track where each potential sale stands. Common stages you might consider include lead, contacted, and won. By labeling these distinct stages with status columns, you're essentially creating a visual roadmap that provides a quick, clear snapshot of your sales journey. Now, let's enhance this foundation by adding people, date, and value columns. These additional columns enrich the information you have for each lead, allowing you to assign responsibility to team members, record key dates for follow-up actions, and track the value or worth of each lead. This not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also helps prioritize leads that might offer the most benefit to your business. Assigning the right person for each task ensures accountability and boosts collaboration within your team. With these steps set, it's time to focus on the practical side of things, tracking your leads through each pipeline stage. As your leads move through the different stages, update your pipeline accordingly. Monitoring each lead's progression allows you to better understand your sales cycle's dynamics and pinpoint any stages where leads might be stalling. This insight can be invaluable in refining your sales strategies and ensuring a more seamless and successful movement from lead to final sale. By following these steps, you set up an efficient sales pipeline in Monday.com that helps you manage and track your sales activities with precision. This structured approach not only supports better decision-making, but also drives growth and success in your sales endeavors. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide gives you the clarity and confidence to create your own efficient sales pipeline on Monday.com.